Hi, this is Ivan Kovachev from Audio Grocery. In today's video, I'm excited to present the new major update for Logic Snapshot Console. This version brings a set of groundbreaking features that take Snapshot Console to the next level, offering essential tools for mixing and mastering in Logic Pro. This update is designed to enhance your mixing and mastering process, providing new ways to stay organized and efficient. Let's dive into each of these features. Logic Snapshot Console offers up to 60 preset storage slots, which can be switched via the presets menu or by clicking the next and previous buttons around the menu. Additionally, each mixer sector is equipped with an extra program change track, allowing you to switch the Snapshot Console preset or record snapshot automation. To store a new mixer snapshot, start by selecting a preset position for the new snapshot. For this demo, I'll select 16 channels by holding the Shift key on my computer, then adjust the volume, pan, inserts, and more, all at once. Note, after inserting a new plugin, make sure to toggle the Insert Bypass button off and on to update its status in the Snapshot Console. To save the mixer snapshot, simply press the Save button in the Snapshot Console. Great! The new snapshot is now stored as expected. You can also copy a snapshot from one preset slot to another. To do this, turn off the Auto button, select the target preset slot and click Save. After that, don't forget to enable the Auto Loading button again. Perfect! Preset number 2 has now been copied to slot number 10, allowing you to apply additional mixer scene modifications. Let's take a look at the Snapshot Console user interface elements. Buttons 1 to 16 allow you to enable or disable Snapshot Console switching for up to 16 mixer channel strips. As you can see, mixer channels 2, 4, 6 and so on are disabled and will remain frozen to the last snapshot after the console preset is switched. The Channel All button enables or disables all channel buttons from 1 to 16. The buttons on the right pan control the loading of the corresponding mixer parameters. Now, let's explore a few Snapshot Console demo presets that contain multiple channel strip parameters. These presets are sure to impress. The Snapshot Console comes with a comprehensive collection of Logic screensets. Let's select the second screenset, which displays the Snapshot Console controlling audio channel 17 to 32. I've created a few presets for this Snapshot Console sector to demonstrate how to link Console 1 with Console 2. Note, to link multiple consoles, simply set the MIDI channel assignment to the same channel number for each. As you can see, both consoles are now linked, allowing you to switch presets either in the Logic Program Track Inspector or directly from the console's user interface. The Snapshot Console preset switching can be automated by recording or drawing program change messages onto the program track. Let me show you an auto logic tip called program step recording. First, I will enable the pause button in the transport. Then I'll arm the record button. Finally, I'll select a program number in the inspector, and that's it. After clicking the stop button, Logic automatically creates a new region containing the corresponding program change message. I'll repeat the process to create a few Snapshot Console preset automation changes. By the way, Snapshot Console also lets you type custom program names. Just double-click the Presets menu to open the Program Names window and type any custom name into the corresponding program number box. The Advanced Text menu even lets you copy and paste program names using an external editor and more. In this case, I'm working with 15 audio tracks recording for Bulgarka Junior Quartet, a project I've been developing over the last few years. Note, the level button is turned off in this project. As you can see, the volume faders are set to different levels and the EQ and the reverb settings are customized to suit each song's unique needs. For pre-mastering monitoring, I am using Isotope Ozone, but it will be disabled during the final bounce and the real mastering will be done in the Steinberg Wavelab. Note, during snapshot switching, the Snapshot Console unmutes the selected mixer channel and enables its inserts while muting the others and disabling their inserts.
Pim pam pom pam pom pam pim pom pam pim vo pim pom pam pim pom pam pim pam pom pam pim pam bistra pim stu pero lem pem pero gizle pero le voi pero le moe beiano Лемперо, лемпемперо, гизлем. А я вратуче затворим, а я вратуче затворим, а я вратуче затворим.
In the next section of the video, I'll introduce the new marker mapper auxiliary tool. First, I will enable the aux button in the Snapshot Console and activate the markers mapper tool to connect the two utilities. Look, I've created a custom mapping for program changes to markers. As you can see from the arrow annotations, rolling the program box switches the mapped marker number. When I switch presets in the Snapshot Console, The console sends a program change message to the marker tool, which moves the logic playhead to the mapped marker number. I'll turn off the aux button in the console and set the program base box to number 15, which offsets the starting point of Snapshot Console presets. I'll reset the markers mapping and assign the markers tool limiter box to number 14. This setup lets me control everything directly from my iPad using one set of buttons for marker changes and another for switching Snapshot Console presets. The Snapshot Console package includes a variety of large logic templates and iPad layouts for Touch OSC and Limmer. For example, the extra folder contains large templates supporting up to 192 audio or instrument tracks, all linked to Snapshot consoles. Let's take a look at this large template. I've set all 12 consoles to MIDI channel 1, enabling them to function as a unified system. As you can see, the top track labeled SC All serves as a global automation track for all consoles. When you change the program number in the inspector, it switches the mixer snapshot for all 192 instruments in this template. The Touch OSC template offers 60 buttons, each assigned to send a program change message. The Limmer iPad workstation was originally created for Audio Grocery's XDAW articulation software, which can teleport articulation names to the iPad. I've redesigned this version for users who don't own XDAW, adding a preset names list where you can easily type in corresponding Snapshot Console preset names. After clicking the gray script editor background, Limmer applies the new names automatically. You can also type the custom layout name at the bottom of this list. The SC MIDI Tools Logic template is a single-track project that you can expand with multiple audio or instrument tracks as needed. The template includes extra screensets that display different MIDI tools. These MIDI tools act as pre-sequencer plugins and can be used with any MIDI track in Logic. There's also standalone environment layer that can be imported into any other Logic project. For the sake of this demo, I've loaded a multi-timbral instrument to showcase some of the advanced transformer features. In this example, I'm using the key switch to program transform, allowing the left-hand key switches to change various program patches within the multi-instrument. Additionally, you can adjust the MIDI channel inside the advanced transformer to transform any keyboard performance to another channel. Thanks for watching this video.